guys, this is Mohammed Saad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I will tell you about how we can beautify the response of our API and also can add the status code on it, like 200 status code of 200 if we get the data successfully, a status code of 404 if there is an error and there is an error or there is no data in our API. So let's start. So let's suppose I have a function with name get data, and when I hit here, it shows me the response in this form. Okay, so I want to add key with name data with message, and also I want something to update or the modify this status code. So first we will go to our helper folder here. Basically this is the best practice to do that. You can also make it by creating another function here, but I am following the best practice for you. So just go in this folder and create new PHP file with name helper. You can see it custom helpers. Okay, inside this file let's create a function with name function response. Okay, inside this function response we add some parameters like error type, error message data, and response code. Okay, set this. Okay, so after adding this we will create a variable with name response of type array. Inside this we will define an error key. There I will pass our error variable message variable data variable. Okay, and now for response code we will do this output should be like this output set status header. Here we will pass our response code. Okay, now to print this we will simply add json encode our response. Okay, now we have to add this function. Let's see. Now we will add if function not exist with name no response, then add it. Also remove this public. Okay, so we have just created our function with name response. Now we'll go to our REST API. In constructor we will load our helper class, because our controller name is helper. This load helpers, and here we will add our class with name custom helpers. Okay, now in here we want to show our response in a beautiful form. So first check that we know that it's an array now. So check if is empty then show this, else show this. Now for response, you will simply add our response here with error should be, if it's empty then error should be true, message should be no data found. Third variable is our data. So as we know that there is no data, then we can pass an empty array here, or all empty object here. It's upon us, and the status code is 404. Okay, but when if we have a data, then we go just there, false, data fetch successfully, and here instead of array, blank array, we add this here, and our status code is 200. Let's check our API. Okay, so it's showing some error. Unable to load the requested file. I just do some mistake. Let me check my folder again. I just put my file in the created my file in the wrong helpers folder. Just cut from there and paste it inside the system helpers. Okay, here you have to paste your file. Let's copy again here with name custom helper. Okay, now we will go over REST API again. Here we define it with this edit's name. Now check again. Using this when not an object context. Oh, okay. Let me initiate the customer CodeIgniter instance. So for this, just do it underscore get instance, and use this instead of this, because this file is not extends the CI controller. So to use some functions of CI, and basically this is a function of CI controller, so we have to extend it here, we have to use this here. Now check it again. Okay, status code must be numeric. What I have done, just it should be this status code, response code or status code. It's on you. Okay, so as it's working successfully, it's showing the error key, message key, and then the data key. It's on you. If your data is in form of JSON, you can print the form data in JSON form. It's in different field. You can it's in different form. Then you can print according to your own need. Let's empty the data like. This. Okay, so it's showing error true, message no data found, and data is blank. I also see the status code is 404. It's showing this. Oh, let's remove it. Basically, we have added our echo in our response method, so we don't have to add it here. Okay, here. Check it again. Okay, so our response is now okay. Our data is empty, and because of empty, it's showing like this. So guys, thank you for watching my tutorial. That's all for today. Keep subscribe my channel. Take care.